Is the Rigetti computing stock price about to explode up, or is it going to crash down to $2 as some analysts in Wall Street are predicting? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Firstly, starting off with the forecasts from Wall Street, as you can see, it doesn't look very optimistic. They are predicting in a year's time this stock is going to be worth $2 on the lower end and only $5 on the higher end. This is not a great forecast, but it's worth remembering that Rigetti Computing is a developer of quantum integrated circuits used for quantum computers, and right now quantum computing as a whole is in its very early stages. That means this company is going to be focused on research and development instead of driving up sales, which is going to result in lower revenues, and as research and development is expensive, the profits are going to be non-existing. Revenue and profits are significant factors that play into these forecasts, so at the moment it makes sense for these to be low for Rigetti Computing, but that doesn't necessarily mean Rigetti Computing is a bad investment, especially when we consider the potential quantum computing has over the long term. So when investing in a company like this, there is great potential upside, but it does come with risks. And one of the best ways to minimize your risks is to do some technical analysis. You can use technical analysis to see where good entry points are, and you can also use it to plan your future exit points. So what are some good entry prices for Rigetti Computing? To answer this question, we are going to be using this Fibonacci extension tool. And if we have a look at the price, we can see that from this low, price went up to this level and retraced back down before moving back up. So if we use the tool going from this low up to these highs and pulling it back down to where the price retraced to, we can see some interesting insights. So these levels on the Fibonacci tool act as future support and resistance levels. So we can see that has happened already. Price found some resistance at these levels and is currently finding some support around here. What you might want to consider is buying at some of these support levels and locking in some profits when the price reaches these higher levels. So what are these levels? This first level here is $11.96, and the one below that is $11.11. What some investors like to do is they start building their position at the first support level, and if the price drops to the second one, they dollar cost average down, so their overall entry price is lower. So these are the support levels. Let's have a look at potential future resistance levels and where you might want to consider taking some profits. So these levels are going to be these two up here. This one is $19 and this one is $24.81. So those are the Fibonacci levels, and it's worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own analysis and your own research before you make any investment decisions. I'll be making updates on this stock as the price approaches these key levels, so you might want to consider subscribing if you want to stay informed. Also, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button as that helps the channel reach more people who are interested in this type of content. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.